Hi, and welcome back to Cooking Health with Hanna, Season 5. It's all about soups. Today we'll be making my favorite cold soup called Gazpacho. This recipe is all about veggies. It has tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and onion, which provide vitamins, minerals for overall good health. It's perfect for summer or early fall when these veggies are harvested. I will pair the soup with a cheese quesadilla. The cheese has both dairy and protein, and the tortilla gives a healthy carbs for energy. This makes a complete meal. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, add each ingredient and stir together. I'll add tomato juice, tomatoes, cucumber, pepper, onion, and then the spices. The spices are Worcestershire sauce, white wine vinegar, olive oil, garlic, and cumin. Cover and chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. I use my spatula to flip the tortilla in half. It just needs another minute to melt together. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this cold soup on a hot day. Please give me feedback on what you think of this recipe. Check out more on Cooking Health with Hanna Season 5, which is all about soups and healthy eating. Thank you for watching, and until next time, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Bye!